अभी इसका होगा स्टार्ट हो तो स्टार्ट करने कर लो Hello, good morning student. Good morning to each and everyone. Now today is the next topic. The next topic is the concept of the perfect square. I request to all the students, please inform to your classmates and share this video. Okay. Today the next concept based on the expansion. This is the concept of perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square. Okay, the next topic is perfect square. Okay, if any given polynomial, okay, maybe it be anyone, for example 4x square plus 20x y plus 25y square is a perfect square or not. So first of all let me see what is the concept of a perfect square. पहले perfect square होता क्या है, तो देखो as you know that when you find the root of 25, the root of 25 it is 5. Okay, next root of 36, this is equal to 6. Roots of 49 it is equal to 7. So we can say that this 25, this 26 and the last is 49 all are the perfect स्क्वायर नंबर. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर मींस जब हम लोग किसी भी नंबर का रूट करें और जो फाइनल बन जाए, फाइनल जो मिलेगा होल नंबर मिलेगा, दैट नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो सो 4 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, 9 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, 16 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, 100 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो सेम द कांसेप्ट वी कैन अप्लाई हियर इन द केस ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट, इन द केस ऑफ द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. अलजेब्रा में भी आप लोगों ने यही यूज करना है. तो एज यू नो दैट a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. okay, यहाँ पे मैंने बताया था कि 25, तो 25 is a perfect square because its square root is equal to 5. its square root is equal to 5. okay, तो यहाँ पे जो फाइनली स्टेटमेंट बोलेंगे कि 5 का जो है इसका स्क्वायर रूट एक्यूरेट नंबर बन रहा है. द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25 इज अ होल नंबर. तो फाइनली वी कैन से दैट दिस 5 is a perfect square. next 36, इसको भी हम लोग जब स्क्वायर करेंगे, रूट करेंगे तो देन आंसर विल बी 6. तो वी कैन से दैट 6 is a perfect square of 36. next 49, root 49 with the help of the 7 we can calculate it. so we can say that 7 is a perfect square. so 7 is a perfect square. so same here when we find the root of this number, और ये हम लोगों के पास यहाँ पे मिला है, तो a plus b होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ देखो 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 7 स्क्वायर 49, 6 स्क्वायर 36. तो सेम हियर द स्क्वायर ऑफ a plus b, इसका जब स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ax स्क्वायर plus bx plus c is the form of the expansion form of a plus b whole square. then same a minus b whole square is equal to a sorry ये गलत लिख दिया, a स्क्वायर plus b स्क्वायर plus 2ab. next a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. okay sir, same. next if any number you can write in the form of a plus b, a minus b. तो ये जो नंबर है, ये नंबर, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, this expression is your perfect square number. this algebraic also a perfect square number. तो same here tell me 4x square plus 40xy is a perfect square or not. क्या ये perfect square है या नहीं है, ये हम लोगों को यहाँ पे चेक करना है. ठीक है, ये हम लोगों को यहाँ पे चेक करना है कि perfect square है या नहीं है. सर इस चीज को देखना है. तो how can we check the given algebraic expression is a perfect square? तो when a given polynomial polynomial, a given polynomial will be a perfect square if कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल, ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल ax square plus bx plus c, this is known as polynomial. x plus 2a, this is also polynomial. x plus 2x square plus 4x plus c, it is also a polynomial. So when you given a polynomial, this is also a polynomial. So when you given a polynomial and the question is identify it is perfect or not. अभी अगर मैंने बोला कि a square plus b square plus 2ab, तो इसका फॉर्मूला बनता है डायरेक्ट a plus b whole square. तो we can say that this is a perfect square. Same a square plus b square minus 2ab, this is also a perfect square. Okay, तो वही चीज हम लोगों को यहाँ पे चेक करनी है कि perfect square है या नहीं है. तो the first condition of the perfect square, when you have given any polynomial and if you want to check is it a perfect or not. So first condition will be it has three terms. Please note down this thing in your notebook. 3 terms होने चाहिए. Second condition is two of three terms are perfect square. Two of the three terms are perfect square. For example, I am taking one simple example. The simple example is 16. This example, okay, इस example को देखो. तो it has 3 terms. So how many terms are given in this expression? तो first term, second term, third term. One condition is satisfied. Second condition, 2 of the 3 terms, मतलब 3 term में से 2 term. 2 of the terms out of the 3, 2 terms out of the 3 are perfect square. इनमें से 2 perfect square होने चाहिए. तो देखो first term 4x square. तो 4x square is a perfect or not? Yes sir. Okay, 4x square. So this thing we can write 2 and x. When we find the square of the 2x square, we will get 2 to the 4 and x square x square. So we can say that 4x square is a perfect square. Next, if I ask you 9x square is a perfect, 9x square is a perfect square? Yes sir, 9x square is also a perfect square because we can write it is 3x whole square. Next, 25y to the power 4, 25y to the power 4, it is also a perfect square. देखो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 5y square का whole square, 5 square का whole square. देखो 5 5 जा 25, y to the power 2 and 2, then it become y to the power 4. So same. So what is the second perfect square? So second perfect square, it is not a perfect square. Then 25y square is a perfect square. So this thing we can write 5y and whole square. Okay. So I thought you understand the concept of the perfect square. So 4x square is a perfect square. 5x square is also a perfect square. So the first condition, it has 3 terms. Second condition, 2 of the 3 terms are perfect square. And the third condition that is very important to recognize it. Okay. The third term is equal to the third term is equal to the twice of the product of the square root of the 2 perfect square. Okay, what is the third term here? The third term is 20xy. This 20xy. So 20xy is your third term. This 20xy is the third term. Now, according to the third condition, twice the product. Twice मतलब 2 into product the square root of the 2 perfect square. So what are the 2 perfect square? First perfect square is 4x square. Second perfect square is 25y square. And according to the condition, twice the product of the square root. किसका square root? 2 perfect square. What are the 2 perfect square? It's, and what is the square root? What is the square root? Square root इसका square root निकालोगे कितना हो जाएगा? 2 and then x. 4 को क्या लिखेंगे? 2 x square मतलब x into x, 1 x is out. It means same here 5 and y. So the square root of the square root of the 2 perfect square is 2x and 5y. So then condition twice the product of the square root of the 2 perfect perfect square, so then it is 2x into 5y. तो check it, 2 2 जा 4 और 4 5 जा 20xy. तो क्या ये बन रहा 20xy? Yes sir. Okay, so these are the three condition to identify any given equation is a perfect or not. कोई भी given condition perfect है या नहीं है उसको identify करने के लिए तीन condition होनी चाहिए. Next example I am taking. The next example is 16 minus 8x plus x square. 16 minus 8x plus x square. Identify it. Is it a perfect or not? क्या ये perfect है या नहीं है? तो first condition, it has three terms. It has three terms. 1 2 3 terms. First condition satisfied. Second condition, two of the three terms are perfect. Two of the three, तीन में से दो परफेक्ट होने चाहिए. तो देखो कौन कौन सा परफेक्ट है. Yes, 16 is a perfect. Yes sir, because 4 4 जा 16. One is 16. Second is x square is given. You know that x square we can write. इस x square को क्या लिख सकते हैं? x square को क्या लिख सकते हैं? x का स्क्वायर. x का स्क्वायर. जब ये फाइनली इसको स्क्वायर करोगे तो ये क्या बनेगा? x स्क्वायर. 4 को स्क्वायर किया तब 16 बना. ओके, तो x स्क्वायर, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, x स्क्वायर, y स्क्वायर, ऑल आर द परफेक्ट नंबर्स. ओके, इन सबको परफेक्ट बोलेंगे. तो फर्स्ट परफेक्ट इज 16, सेकंड परफेक्ट इज x. अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ 16? तो द रूट ऑफ 16 इज 4. व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर? द रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज x. एज यू नो दैट वी कैन राइट इट x मल्टीप्लाई x and two numbers are coming, so we can write out of the square root it become x. तो square root of the second perfect is x. अब the third condition is, तो देखो इसको क्या लिख सकता हूँ? इसको मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ 4 square minus plus x का square. The second condition, third condition, the twice of the product, this thing 8x, इसको कैसे लिखो? क्या ये 8x according 8x is equal to according to this condition? क्या ये 8x इस कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग बन रहा है या नहीं बन रहा? तो देखो twice according to the condition, twice of the product of the square root. किसका square root? Of the two perfect square. What are the two perfect squares? 16 and x square. What is their product? तो square, पहले इनका square root निकालो. Square root is 4 and then second square root is x and then the third term is equal to the twice of the product of the square root of two perfect square, 16 और x square. तो देखो क्या बन रहा है? 4 2 is 8 into x, then it become same 8x. तो it means the given condition, the given algebraic expression satisfy all three condition. So we can say that the given number या the given polynomial is a perfect square. अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो एक और एग्जांपल मैं लेके चल रहा हूँ फिर से. One more example I am taking. एक और एग्जांपल लेके चलते हैं. Now this is not an example. This is your question from your book 6th first part. Question number 6. X square plus 8x plus 16. Tell me is it a perfect or not? Again repeat. This is a repeated question. But the difference of the sign. तो फिलहाल साइन का कोई केस नहीं है, साइन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You have identify only these three condition. Okay, you have identify only these three condition. So first condition, what is the first condition? It has three terms. Okay, right here first it has three terms. Okay, second is two of three terms are perfect. तीन में से कोई दो perfect होने चाहिए. तो x square we can write x, अभी मैंने बोला था x square is a perfect. X square is a perfect square and second 16 also a perfect square because when you calculate the root of the 16 so it is a complete whole number. 4 4 is 16, so root of the 16 is 4, so we can say that this is the perfect. 25, so 25 का root 5, so we can say that 25 is the perfect square. 100 root is 10, so 100 is the perfect square, so 16 is a perfect square. Second condition also satisfied. What is the third condition? फाइंड करने से पहले फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर. तो व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर? द रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज x एंड द रूट ऑफ 16 इज इक्वल टू 4. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द थर्ड कंडीशन, द थर्ड टर्म, दिस इज आवर सेकंड कंडीशन एंड देन आफ्टर दैट थर्ड कंडीशन, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द, ओके, द थर्ड टर्म इज इक्वल टू द ट्वाइस. थर्ड टर्म इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस द प्रोडक्ट, उसको मत देखो, इसको मत देखो आप 8x आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, फिलहाल इसके अकॉर्डिंग सॉल्व करो। ट्वाइस द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट, किसका स्क्वायर रूट, 2 नंबर का, 2 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, तो द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x square and 16, what is the square root of x square and 16, x का square root x and the square root of 16 is 4, so what is its product, 2 into x into 4, 4 to the 8 into x, so we will get a 8x, it means our question, our given condition is a perfect square. Okay, so hope you understand. You can write this in this way. First it has 3 terms, second 2 of the 3 are perfect, and third condition is the third, यहाँ पे लिखा third condition, पहले इसको चेक करना, 2 into x into 4 it is 8x, तो write there the third condition, the third term is equal to the twice the product of the square root of the 2 perfect square number. Okay, तो hope you understood this concept. क्या समझ में आया या नहीं आया, तो write in the comment section. Okay, please write your response in the comment section. Yes sir, Abhishek, please write your response in the comment section. Yes sir, yes, very good. Only Ankit Bish is saying yes sir. Nautiyal or Dolly Nautiyal, please write your name. Priyanshu Panchola, yes. Karki, learning, okay, learning, very good. Okay, learning is the Karki, very good. Piyu Rawat, good, yes sir. Next, Arjun, okay, Arjun, very good, Arjun. Okay, I am happy, Arjun, very happy because you are continue watching the classes. Okay, next, Vaishnavi Nautiyal, okay, Vaishnavi, very good. Okay, only 7 yes 6 students are responding their answers. Yes, but I request to please send your response in the comment section, so I will confirm that all will be able to solve this type of the question. Okay, next I am taking the one two concept question based on the same concept. The next question is, the next is third part. Okay, check the third part. 4m square minus 4m plus 1. This is our question, and the question is, check it, is it a perfect or not, क्या ये perfect है या नहीं है. तो first condition, as you know that, what is the first condition, it has three terms. Okay, good, 3 terms है. second condition, out of the three terms, 2 terms must be perfect square. Out of the 3, 2 must be perfect. Okay, तो first term देखो 4m square, तो 4m square is a perfect square, because जैसे 25 को क्या बोलेंगे, 25 is a perfect. Why? Because the square root of 25 is 5. Square root is cancelled and we will get a whole number. Same here, 4m square, find it square root. So 2m square we can write m. So 2m is a 2, not a 2m. 4m square is a perfect square. Next, 1. What is the square root of the 1? The square root of 1 is always 1. So we can say that 1 is always a perfect square. So 1 is a perfect square. Next is third condition. What will be the third condition? Third condition is twice the product of the square root of 2 perfect square. So these are the 2 perfect square. 4m is the perfect, 1 is also perfect. And what is their square root? So their square root is 2m and second is 1. So 2m into 1. So then it is 2 into 2, 4 and into m. And we will get a middle term 4m. So write here the third condition. What is our third condition? According to the third condition, twice the product of the square root of the 2 perfect square is equal to this term, is equal to the third term. And because this is our first term, is a perfect, this one I am taking the perfect square as a second term. So what is the remaining? Remaining is 4m. It means जब हम लोग solve करेंगे तो हम लोगों को third जो remaining term है, we will get a remaining term. So when we will satisfy all 3 conditions, so that time we can say that the question, the given polynomial is a perfect square. The given polynomial is a perfect square. So next, now this is the turn for you. आप लोगों का काम है कि एक क्वेश्चन मुझे बताओ कि क्या ये परफेक्ट है या नहीं है. Please write your answer in the comment section. Fifth part. with your honestly, okay, m square plus 6m plus 4 is a perfect or not? Write your answer in the comment section. क्या ये perfect है या नहीं है? Please write your answer in the comment section. I am waiting your answers. Please write your answer. Ankit Bish, no. And please don't see your answer sheet. Okay? No. Next. No. 3 answers are coming. No. No, it is not a perfect. Why? Write the reason in the comment section also. Why it is not a perfect square? Tanishq Bish, no. Karki, no. Please write why is it not a perfect square. अभिषेक नो. अभिषेक कौन है? पक्का? अच्छा तो अभी एस और वो नहीं आता यार. वो नहीं आता ना लाइव क्लास में. Okay, Ankit Vist, very good, because there is 6m. Okay, because here is a 6m. So m square plus 6m plus 4. So first condition, what is the first condition? It has 3 terms. Yes, it has 3 terms. Second condition, write all the 3 terms. Okay, it has 3 terms. First condition satisfied. Second time, the square root of any 2 number. Sorry, any 2 terms will be a perfect. Any 2 terms will be a perfect. So m square is a perfect square. Next, 4 is a perfect square. Now what is our third condition? Third condition will be twice the product of the square root of the 2 terms is equal to remaining term. Is equal to remaining term. So check it. What is the square root of m square? M. What is the square root of 4? It is 2. The answer is 2 to the 4 into m. 4m. But this is not equal to our third term. This is 6m, but our answer is 4m. So third condition is not satisfied. So we can write here. Therefore, the given polynomial m square plus 6m plus 4m is not a perfect square. So hope you understand this thing. कैसे हम लोगों ने इसको solve करना है? एक और ले लो last part. So last is fourth part. Fourth, it is 4x square minus 2 plus 1 by 4x square. This is our next question. 4x square minus 2 plus 1 upon 4x square. तो write the answer in the comment section. Is it a perfect or not? क्या ये perfect है या नहीं है? Please write your answer in the comment section. Is it a perfect or not? 4x square minus 2 plus 1 by 4x square. Please send your answer in the comment section immediately. What your answer? 15 students are watching this video, but 6 or 7 students only replying their answer. So I request please all of you send your answer in the comment section. Okay, so I will identify how many students are watching the video properly. Yes sir, is it a perfect? Yes sir. Vaishnavi, okay, good. Yes, Abhiday Bandari, answer is correct. Next, okay, Priyanshu, perfect. Next, okay, so many answers are coming and all are the same perfect square. So देखो, first all 3 terms are given. Yes. Second condition. What is the second condition? 2 must be perfect. What are the 2? So देखो, 4x square. When we calculate the square root, square it is 2, then x. It means it is a perfect square. Next, 1 by 4x square. 1 by 4x square. 1 का root 1, 4 का 2 and x. So then it is also a perfect square. Okay, 2 is remaining. It means we will get the answer 2. How can we get the answer 2? So 2 into product of the square root of the perfect square number. So 4x square का square root 2x. What is the product of the square root of the 1 by 4x square? So 4x is to cancel. So 2 is remaining. So our third term is 2. Answer is correct. Now the next question I am taking question number 7. The question number 7. And what is the next question? The question number 7 is next question number 7. The 7 is 4x square minus 12x plus k is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Find the numerical value of k. Find the numerical value of k. Find the numerical value of k. Means what is the value of the k? If previous question, in the last question, we have to check it what whether the given condition is perfect or not, क्या perfect था या नहीं. But in this case we already given that the question is a perfect square, मतलब ये perfect square है, ध्यान रखना perfect square है, but we have to find the here k. तो sir how can we write this thing? तो can we write this 4x square? So this thing we can write 2x whole square because it is a perfect square minus make 12x is it क्या ये perfect square है? My 12x, check it, 12x is a perfect? No, 12x is not a perfect square. तो 12x is not a perfect square. तो 12x कैसे मिलता है? Tell me, write in the comment section. How can we get this term? कैसे हम लोगों को ये मिलता है? तो this remaining term. This remaining term is the product of the two, means twice of the square root of two perfect square. It is the twice the product of the square root of two perfect square. तो उस कंडीशन को आपने यूज करना है. तो twice into the square root of the first number. So what is the 2x square? Okay, 4x square is a perfect square. So what is its square root? So its square root is 2x. So it means 2 into 2x into what is the next number? Next number is k, but we have not given the k. अब k जो होगा उसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? Okay, तो the value of the k का आंसर बता सकते हो कितना होगा? What is the answer of the k? Please write in the comment section because मैंने तो क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी कर दिया है. Because I make a question is very easy. तो please write your answer in the comment section. What is the value of k? k की वैल्यू कितनी होगी?
एक लड़की है, उनको बोल जब आप क्लास अटेंड करते हो तो क्लास स्किप करके ना ग्रुप में मत जाया करो, चैटिंग मत किया करो.
कौन है?
जो भी है सबको
यहाँ लिख देना उसको, कुछ नहीं होता.
Okay, 9, very good. Okay, and one more thing, sir. One more thing. This is your turn of maths class. Okay, and I found that so many students are busy in the WhatsApp group. So many students now busy in the WhatsApp group. They are chatting to the teachers because we are taking the classes. So please take the time, and watch this video. कोई बच्चा यहाँ भी है और WhatsApp ग्रुप में भी मैसेज कर रहा है तो उसको क्या समझ में आएगा? ठीक है? हाँ, तो सर this is the what is this? It is the 12x according to the condition, according to the third condition the remaining number we can write twice into the product of the square root of the remaining number. तो what is the square root of this number? The square root of this number is 2x. मतलब 4x का हम लोगों ने क्या किया? 4x square का रूट निकालो. तो what is the 4x square root? It is 2x. Now what is the remaining number? k. तो k का भी हम लोगों को रूट निकालना पड़ेगा. तो what is the root of the k? तो the root of the k will be root k. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर चाहिए? Here we will need the root of the numbers, root of the perfect square. इस perfect square का रूट लिखा, या मैं इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ into 4x square into root k. ये भी सही लिख सकते हैं. Now solve it sir. तो 2 into 2x into root k, and we already given that this is a perfect square. हमें given है कि perfect square और perfect square होगा, तो then the third condition will satisfy, और जो third condition होगी वो satisfy होगी. It means 12x is equal to, we can write in this way. So then 12x is equal to here. So now can you calculate the value of k? So we can write 12x is equal to 2 to the 4 into x into root k. So remove this 4x, so then it become 12x upon 4x is equal to root k. So x cancel, 4 3 is 12, so 3 is equal to root k. And when you remove, as you know that if x square is equal to 9, if you have given x square is equal to 9, x is equal to root 9, we can write x is equal to root 9. So can we take this root in left hand side? Yes sir. 9 is equal to x square. इसको फिर वापस ये भी लिख सकते हैं. तो same we can write here 3 square is equal to k. So finally k is equal to 9. So answer is 9. So what statement we can write at the starting here? So here write here, because since यहाँ पे लिखना since given polynomial is a perfect square, और जो given polynomial square is perfect square है, it means it will satisfy all three conditions. The given polynomial will satisfy all three conditions. And write the third condition. So since therefore 12x 12x is equal to the twice is equal to the twice of the product of the square root twice of the product of the square root of twice of the product of square root of two perfect square. So first write this condition, then after that solve this part. Okay, so answer is k is equal to 9. Answer k is equal to 9. Okay, so sir maybe इसका नाम class है. Now this is the timing of the new class. One question is remaining, and please try to solve the question number 8, because this question is just based on the same concept of question number 6 and question number 7. Okay, question number 6 and question number 7. So I am ending, and then tomorrow we will meet again. हम लोग कल दोबारा मिलेंगे. नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम होती है सर, डेटा हम लोगों के इतना नहीं है कि हम लोग 45 मिनट या 50 मिनट की क्लासेस चला सके. ओके, फिर भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं ट्राई कि सारी क्लासेस अटेंड हो सके एज सून एज पॉसिबल. एक गुड न्यूज भी है कि एज सून एज पॉसिबल वी विल टेक योर 45 मिनट क्लासेस. ओके, 45 मिनट क्लासेस. ओके, एंड अब हमारा सिलेबस भी टाइम टू टाइम चल रहा है. बट एक चीज दुख इस चीज का है कि ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट वाचिंग द वीडियोस. Okay, so please inform to your classmates and give the awareness about the classes. We are conducting the live classes. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.